Hi everyone, welcome to the Amoretti Test Kitchen. Today we're going to be making an iced black tea featuring our Amoretti Premium Jasmine Syrup. This drink is inspired by the live-action remake of Aladdin, one of my childhood favorites. So for steeping our tea, we're going to be using about a 6 ounce of water to 1 teaspoon of tea ratio. I'm using a loose leaf Earl Grey black tea. All right, go ahead and let this steep for a few minutes, strain it, cool it in the fridge. So our jasmine flavor is going to come from the condensed milk infusion that we're about to make. So for every 2 tablespoons of condensed milk, go ahead and stir in 1 pump of the Jasmine Premium Syrup. Because this is being used in a cold application, we're going to be adding this to ice cold liquid. We're going to want to thin it out a little bit so that when we pour it into our tea, it emulsifies properly and doesn't get stringy or globby or anything weird like that. So take a little bit of your tea. The amount doesn't matter. It's just enough to make it a little thinner. All right, let's blend our cold tea with our jasmine condensed milk. I'm a huge fan of taking whatever liquid I'm going to be drinking. I like to turn it into ice cubes. Then my drinks don't get watered down. I can enjoy it all the way down to the last sip. Here's our iced tea and our jasmine condensed milk. And there you have it, jasmine iced tea. Cheers and make all 3 wishes count. Thank you so much for watching. Show us how you Amoretti by tagging us the next time you use any of our products. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to stay up to date on all of our promos, discounts, and giveaways. Stay up to date on all of our recipes by tapping on the bell below. Subscribe to our newsletter and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to stay up to date on all of our promos, discounts, and giveaways. Goodbye!